morning children. Today I will show you the rest alphabets houses. Do you want to see? Okay, let's see. Letter is Q. Q sound is qua. Let's go inside. Q qua question. Q qua question. Q qua quilt. Q qua quilt. Next is R. House of R. R sound is Ra. R sound is Ra. R red. R red. R rose. R rose. Next letter is S. S sound is Sa. S sound is Sa. Let's go inside. S sunflower. S sunflower. S strawberry. S strawberry. Next letter is T. House of T. Let's go inside. Tita tomato. Tita tomato. Tita telephone. Tita telephone. Next letter is U. House of U. U sound is A. Let's go inside. You are umbrella. You are umbrella. And you are under. Under means cat जो है टेबल के अंदर है ना, नीचे है, इसलिए you are under. Okay. Next letter is V. V sound is Va. V sound is Va. Let's go inside. Viva van. Viva van. Viva vase. Viva vase. Letter is W. Next letter is W and sound is Va. Sound is Va. Let's go inside. W what? Watch. W what? Watch. W what? Watermelon. W what? Watermelon. Next letter is X. Next letter is X. Sound of X is X. Sound of X is X. Now let's go inside. X. X means tree. X. X-ray. X. X means tree. X. X-ray. There is Y. Y sound is Ya. Y sound is Ya. Let's go inside, children. Y yo-yo. Y yo-yo. Y yacht. Y yacht. And last letter is Z. Z sound is Z. Z sound is Z. Now let's go inside. Z. Z zip. Z zip. Z zebra. Z zebra. So children, all houses of alphabets completed. Now you have to learn A alphabet to Z alphabets with phonic sound and object. Okay, so keep practice, keep learning. Bye bye.